हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक। फाइनली बोर्डिंग गेट्स खुल गए थे और टाइम था प्लेन में जाने का। बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा था, लाइक रियली इट वाज ह्यूज। एंड अगर आपने नाम पढ़ लिया है वर्जिन अटलांटिक तो यू विल नो वेयर आई एम हेडेड। जैसे ही we reached our seat, there was some stuff on our seat which I'll show you in a bit. So this was provided for every passenger. There was a pillow, just like a normal one. Headphones were also provided, basically for the screen in front, just normal basic ones. And there was this kit, I would say COVID kit. कोविड चल रहा है और आपको कोविड रिलेटेड सैनिटाइजर्स एंड ये सब ना मिले, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता। शील्ड तो नहीं थी, बट येस अनदर स्टफ, सो आई जस्ट शो यू व्हाट वाज इन देयर। सो it had 2 to 3 masks in there. Then there were like 2 wipes that were provided, and along with that sanitizers and this throwaway bag. There was a blanket in there as well, and it really helped me stay warm during the journey. And then I tried taking some shots outside. We were about to, take off. It be going all around the runway before it actually takes off. Screen, they showed some instructions for the journey.
On the back of your head. Bend forward, elbows outside your knees. Rest your head on the seat in front of you now.
To be honest, I felt nothing when the plane took off. I was in fact excited like a kid at that time. टेक ऑफ करने के थोड़ी देर बाद टाइम था फूड का। आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड क्योंकि सबसे डिफरेंट चीज़ें सुनी है फ्लाइट के फूड के बारे में। सो लेट्स सी। सो व्हाट वी गॉट वाज अ वेजिटेरियन रैप, apple juice, some sweet dish and butter. Food was okay, not too great, not too bad. This is where our seats were. We booked economy delight, and as you can see it was all empty. There were just 2 more people who were sitting, like a family in front and a girl at the back. अब कोविड में रिस्क लेके हर कोई तो ट्रैवल करता नहीं है ना। And in fact they made an announcement. There were total just 93 passengers on the plane at that time. There was this cute kid on the flight sitting ahead of us. Kids change your mood. Really they do. बस उसके बाद की कोई फुटेज नहीं है क्योंकि मेरे को सोने में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट था। आई डोंट नो ऐसे नॉर्मली होता है या मेरे साथ ही ऐसा हुआ, पर मुझे बहुत बेहोशों वाली नींद आई एंड वो सच्ची में बहुत ही अच्छी नींद थी, जैसे कि मैं घर पे सोती हूँ। सो इसलिए काफ़ी कुछ रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो पाई, जस्ट बाहर के कुछ मैंने मोमेंट्स रिकॉर्ड करने की कोशिश करी। एंड नाइट फ्लाइट थी तो वैसे भी कुछ ज़्यादा व्यू नहीं था। एंड हियर एज यू कैन सी द लाइट्स, it was shown on our screen that we were about to reach London. So yes, this is the place that I'm headed to for my work purposes. And as you can see the lights below, we were about to reach. It really felt like a dream. I didn't imagine that it will happen so soon and so well. About to land, amazing feeling. After deboarding, going through immigration and collecting our bags, it was time to exit. Couldn't record much because काफ़ी जगह कैमराज अलाउड नहीं थे एंड मैं भी बहुत टायर्ड थी, so I tried to capture as much as I could. Here it is outside of the airport. London, baby! So we booked a chauffeur from Virgin Atlantic and there was this guy who came in his Mercedes to pick us up and drop us to the Airbnb. We were out of the airport and it looked really amazing. Wish I could show you through my eyes what I felt, what I saw for the very first time. It was beautiful. And not only the roads were clean, the air was clean as well. And if you're from Delhi, I'm sure you'll be able to relate what I'm talking about. The chauffeur was an Indian guy, so he was sweet enough to tell us some things about London, knowing that we are also from India.
Indian shopping, yeah?
Yeah.
Tesco's, I think, you need to go to Southall. Have you heard of Southall?
Yeah.
Okay, Southall. Park Lane.
Oh, okay.
Very expensive. All the Arabs, they like that come from Dubai and Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
All the you know, Middle East people go.
Yeah.
The away that you see a proper sight. The London Eye in them. The London Eye.
Yeah.
The big wheel. And this is Buckingham Palace. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, you see Buckingham Palace? Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. There's the Buckingham Palace. Seen this in movie. And that was a glimpse of London Eye. If you know, you know. As usual, busy on his phone. No time for me. After 9 hours of plane journey and 1 hour of cab journey, we finally reached our place, Airbnb. And we were ready for food. हमें पता था हम tired होने वाले हैं, तो हम घर से ही arrange करके आए थे अपना first meal. I hope you enjoyed this cute little journey with me from India to London. I tried recording as much as I could and sharing my experience with you all. But you know, as much as I believe in recording and sharing everything, I also believe in living in the moment. Therefore, मैं सब कुछ record नहीं कर पाई. Like you will see, plane से उतरना, airport से निकलना, सब कुछ नहीं हो पाया because you know कुछ चीजें मैं उसी time experience करना चाहती थी live. और secondly, I was very tired. बोलने की बात है बहुत easy लगता है, but I realized it बहुत मुश्किल था. इतना कुछ सामान था कि यही हो पाया. So if you like this video, if you like this journey and you want to see more, stay tuned. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.